Did you know that a single sneeze can unleash wind speeds of up to 100 miles per hour? That's faster than a cheetah. When you feel that tickle in your nose, your body is gearing up for a powerful release. In just a fraction of a second, your diaphragm contracts and air rushes out with incredible force. This explosive burst can send tiny droplets flying up to 30 feet away. It's nature's way of clearing out irritants, but it also means that sneezes can spread germs like wildfire. So, next time you feel a sneeze coming on, remember, it's not just a simple reflex. It's a mini windstorm ready to take flight.